Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make chicken rice pepper rolls with sauce. Okay, so we need this one, the rice pepper, and then for the sauce we need sriracha, tomato ketchup, and then honey. And we need also the chicken. I'm marinated with a little salt and black pepper, and we need butter, and then a little oil maybe. Okay, so first, okay guys, we're gonna do like this in the water, like that. Okay, then we put it here. Okay, that one. Okay, like this, and then like that, like that, like that. Okay, okay, like this, but still okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay guys, that one. Okay, so we need half only guys because the chicken is small. Okay, so we can do like that, and then like that. Okay, it seems that it's not super convenient. Okay. Taro muna to guys, pagpilo. Okay, okay, like that. But later on, this one will become very soft. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's cut this one because... Okay, and now we're gonna go outside. Let's start the frying. Okay guys, so that's it. So it's already cooked, so we're gonna transfer and set aside. Okay, okay. We're gonna add and then the garlic, tablespoon. Okay, I think that's 2 tablespoons also. Of honey. Okay. For chicken rice pepper rolls with sauce. Okay. chicken rice pepper rolls with sauce. Okay guys, so that's it. Oh, chicken rice pepper rolls with sauce. Okay, it's done guys. Okay guys, so that's it. It's super yummy guys. And then I'm going to taste just a little. Oh. Super hot guys, so I need to be careful. It's yummy. It's yummy guys. So that's our chicken rice paper rolls is done. Chicken rice paper rolls with sauce. It's done.